Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will be talking about the benefits of Bug Bounty. First of all, Bug Bounty provides you a platform where you get a hands-on practice on a dynamic active website. In this environment, you get to learn numerous things. Bug Bounty program also let you widen the horizon of your knowledge base. It provides you access to thousands of security research with diverse skill set. Also, finding bugs in various websites may also land you in an esteemed organization. And apart from it, incentives for quality and severity of bugs are given. It provides you a very competitive environment, and the one who reports the bug first gets the reward. One of the great benefits of bug bounty program is that it let you even make money apart from what you earn by doing job. That means you can do bug bounty even as a part-time job. And pricing is based pay per bug model. It means if you found one vulnerability, you will get paid accordingly. And also, bug bounty helps in attaining a good understanding of your security and the weakness of your network. Thank you for watching this tutorial.